Here's how to tie a tie. Step 1 is to put the tie around your neck with one longer end and one shorter end. The longer end is going to be your working end. Look for a seam in your tie. Most ties have a seam like this. You're going to make an X with the longer end over the shorter end. Put the longer end through the back of the X, and it should look something like this. Now, the neater you can make this look, the better your final result will be. So be careful with this step. Next, you're going to go around the back again and through the top. And it should look something like this. Now you're going to go around the front and back through the top on the other side. Make a hole and slide the tie through. Tighten the tie. And move the tie up. Now you may want to fiddle with the dimple by applying some pressure along the outsides of the knot. After you've tied the tie, it should rest about where your belt buckle is. The basics are done. You've just tied a tie. Go seize the day. Please like, subscribe, and comment.